When we first installed the equipment, the issues that we found was mainly weather and pedestrians. So the weather first was the equipment wasn't waterproof as such. So we were just getting information that it was failing. And when we go in there, we couldn't really work out why until when it was a wet day. We were noticing that all the equipment on the inside was getting wet, which was causing the faults to arise. So once we've done that and we resolved that issue, we also found out that certain equipment was accessible by the public, so they could easily grab it and sort of tamper with it. So maybe kids were vandalising. So we've got different equipment now which is out of the way, and that has stopped as many issues now. So now it's just a bit of a monthly maintenance, where I'll go around the mole town and just make sure everything's working and making sure that the readings are accurate. And yeah, pretty much just make sure that everything's still working the same. So the benefits for the town is that these sensors monitor how many people are coming in. Obviously it doesn't take any personal data, it just counts mobile phones, laptops, tablets, anything like that, and it'll just say someone's come past in the area. And what that can do for the Welsh Government is get an understanding how busy the town is. So if the town is a very busy town, like today with the market, the government can go, with that, we can put more money into the town to help the local businesses thrive more and just keep towns going in a world of internet where online shopping is the way forward. This is a good way to show the Welsh Government that there are still people shopping and we need local businesses to keep thriving. So yeah, it's definitely a benefit to Mole Town, definitely.